Thank you for watching. If you want to see every new mobile unboxing, review, and hidden feature before anyone else, then hit that subscribe button now. Join our family today and never miss an update on the latest smartphones. Your support means the world, and together we'll explore every mobile of 2025 and beyond. So, press subscribe and be part of this amazing journey.
Welcome back to ProMonk, your trusted destination for the latest mobile technology, unboxings, and detailed reviews. Today, we are taking an exclusive look at the brand new Infinix Hot 40, and in this video, we are going to focus on the stunning back design of this device. Many times, when people judge a smartphone, it is not only about performance and specifications, the design, the feel in the hand, and the attention to detail matter just as much. That is why today, we will highlight every aspect of the Hot 40's backside, giving you a complete understanding of how Infinix has combined beauty with functionality. The very first thing you will notice when you turn the phone around is the sleek glossy back panel. It shines beautifully under the light, almost like a mirror, and reflects elegance every time you hold it. Infinix has worked hard to bring a premium touch to a budget-friendly device, and you can clearly see that effort in the craftsmanship. The curves are smooth, the finish is polished, and the entire panel feels solid yet stylish. Now, let's talk about the camera module. Positioned neatly on the top left corner, the module houses the powerful 50-megapixel main sensor. The design is bold but minimalistic, with metallic rings around the lenses that give the phone a flagship-like appearance. The camera housing doesn't stick out awkwardly, instead, it blends gracefully with the back panel, ensuring that when the device rests on a table, it remains balanced. This thoughtful detail is something that truly sets the Infinix Hot 40 apart in its price segment. Another highlight on the back is the Infinix branding. Subtle yet noticeable, it is placed strategically towards the bottom, reminding users of the brand's growing identity in the smartphone market. This branding doesn't feel overdone, instead, it matches the overall modern vibe of the device. When we place the Hot 40 on a glass table, the back panel reflects the surrounding lights, creating an ultra-modern and aesthetic look. With decorative flowers or plants around, the phone feels less like a gadget and more like a lifestyle accessory. This makes it perfect for content creators, vloggers, or anyone who values style alongside performance. Now, let's not forget the practical side. The glossy finish may look premium, but it also resists fingerprints better than older Infinix models. This means you can enjoy the shine without constantly wiping the surface. Plus, the phone feels comfortable to hold, thanks to its lightweight design and curved edges. Finally, the backside of the Infinix Hot 40 is not just about looks, it tells a story of balance between design and technology. Infinix has created a device that appeals to young users, students, and professionals alike. Whether you place it on your desk, carry it in your pocket, or show it off in public, the Hot 40 ensures you look stylish while staying connected. So, this was a complete look at the back design of Infinix Hot 40. If you enjoyed this detailed breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ProMonk for more exciting smartphone content. Your support keeps us motivated to bring you the best tech insights.